Hello and welcome. I'm Master Lama Rasaji, and this is our Friday Shangri-La edition of Rasaji Speaks. Hope you've had a great week. We're getting all excited about Denver. Live streaming will probably change this Sunday or Monday, so make a note of that. If you want to get the cheaper price, you might want to get on that. So, anyhow, today we will have training. Either Master David or myself will be on, and then, of course, from Tuesday on next week, it'll be all recorded. And of course, you should take the time to experience the recordings because there's literally hundreds of hours of training. You can't beat the membership that we have here. And speaking of membership, less than $2 a day, you can have the most phenomenal membership on health, spirituality. So, anyhow, the title today is physical, the physical, or the importance of the physical presence. You've heard this adage, when the student is ready, the master will appear. There's many levels of the master appear. Are we talking dream state? Are we talking apparition? Are we talking about visual and meditation? Or are we talking about the physical presence of the master? There's without a doubt, there is a difference. And most people who understand being in the presence of a master or especially an avatar, they absolutely know the difference. You can feel the difference when you're within 30 to 50 feet of a real master. And some people even further than that. That same basic principle is why teaching a student belly to belly, face to face, is the beginning of that experience. Molding the instrumentation of that teacher to one day be a master, to be able to do the things that these two great masters that are in my rear have been doing for a long time, right? So you're creating that vehicle, that oracle, that portal, if you will, for those students. You're raising the vibration. And what normally happens, as you've heard before, the cream rises to the top. There'll come a time, 6 to 18 months into teaching that class, of 10 or more people, when all of a sudden you'll be talking to people and you go up and you ask a very interesting question. Hey, Betty Sue. Hey, Joseph. How is your practice at home going? You're asking just the assumption that they are, but you want to figure out who is. Don't be surprised from the quality of energy they're producing. You already know who that person is. You're just wanting some confirmation. Well, when they do, you'll find out that person is setting themselves up for a deeper understanding of the teachings of Tai Chi Gong. I'm often asked by teachers, when do we know a student is ready for COC? Well, you never know 100%. But if you want to fish in a pond that is highly likely, like 80 to 90%, then I would say it's that person who is wanting to do some private training with you and has decided with that private training and practicing at home for several months, they're ready for a deeper understanding. Because of this, we're very much questioning whether we're going to leave our full broadcasts right here. We're probably going to move them between now and the end of the year to the back office of the membership from people who are either from the foundation membership and above. We have close to 1,000 reels. We're probably going to take cuts of those and put them up like 30 to 90 second, like you would see a trailer for a movie. You want the rest of the story, you click here and it takes you right to the website. And then you can get all of Rasaji Speaks. I'm kind of leaning that way. And let's see your comment to see and what you think about it. So, anyhow, when the student is ready, the master appears and continues to appear and appear and appear and appear till eventually all the way to the physical. A lot of people said had Paul had more physical connection, St. Paul, with Jesus, his end result might have gone different. A lot of people think that John the Beloved, if Jesus would have hung out a little longer, maybe John the Beloved, maybe that would have gone different. Maybe the whole thing would have gone different. We never know. But that's why when we mentor to people, people kind of shocked sometimes when they find out that Lamaji's been mentoring Master David for over 3 decades, not 3 years, and not only in a group setting, but 30 plus years, and most of that in an individual setting. That's why the lineage in the Lamasery is so profoundly strong. Most people can't fathom being in a marriage anymore for 30 years or doing the same task for 30 years or maybe teaching Tai Chi Gong for 30 years. Some have already taught it for 3 to 4 or longer, right? What are you thinking? What are you going to do? What are you going to become? A teacher? An adept? A master? A lama? Possibly a master lama? Commitment is the name of the game. I'll see you tomorrow on the Saturday edition, Bible edition of Rasaji Speaks. Baraka Bashad to you and your family. And don't forget about live streaming with Denver. God bless you and God bless your family.